Hi, my name's Kristen.
And my name's Emma.
And here's where the visitor sign used to be.
If you need to know where to go, follow the trees. Oh, we never introduced that this is Nature Walk.
Oh.
We should probably do that.
Yeah.
Nature Walk. What is this? I'm scared.
It's mud.
Oh, okay. Here lies Big Rich. He never caught that fish. He starved to death.
Now, how many have you caught so far?
A big fat 0, guys.
How long have you been fishing? Are your days, weeks?
Actually, I'm on my 3rd week out here.
Yo, why you following us? Why you following us?
To play hopscotch.
Okay.
Ready?
How do you play hopscotch?
Oh. Hey, Coco, where are we again?
The woods, dummy.
Oh, that's just how the wood dweller. We could just pass along.
Yeah. All right. Anyways, know that moss grows on rocks.
Did you know? Moss.
It's right there. Touch it.
Me too. This is good
very
moss.
soft.
This is good moss.
Hi, Tyler. No, we gotta go. We gotta go. Go.
Whoa.
Trees die sometimes, but it's okay, because,
We all do.
yeah, we all do, and little bugs eat them, I think, right?
Yeah.
And wait, they're also like little homes for animals and stuff.
I love that little animals have homes.
Yeah.
No homelessness.
There's a doggy footprint. Oh, you just stepped on it.
No, it's still there.
Look,
What could have
doggy was
made
here.
Litter. What is wrong with you? No trace left behind. We actually have to carry this out. Huh?
Yeah.
Oh my God, there's a dog over there. We should see if we can pet the dog.
Yeah.
Ooh. Hang on.
Yo, watch this.
Coco, will you do me the honors of marrying me?
Oh my God.